I'm Shon. I'm an optometrist, and recently I had some new solar panels installed by Rob. When I was in the market for it, I just needed someone to take care of everything I was needing done, replacing my existing panels, installing the new one and make sure it fit within the guidelines without me having to hassle and chase someone up all the time. I did have a lot of questions, and Rob just answered every single one of them. Like he just took care of everything. I'm the kind of person, if I need something done, I just want to get it done, and I want someone to just take care of it all. And it was really easy for him because he knows what he's doing. Rob was extra careful to make sure I was not going to fall outside of those guidelines and lose the rebate that I was getting from my electricity provider. And he was very particular about it to make sure I didn't lose it, because that would stuff up my whole, setup that I had. Yes, for me, it's our electricity bills are pretty high. I used to run and breed a lot of fish here, so I had a lot of fish tanks, and my bills used to be extremely high, so solar panels would take care of that. But even in the long term, running air conditionings, having or lights in the house and things like that, it keeps everything down to zero. But also at the same time, it's clean and efficient energy. I guess there was two things. One's Rob's friendly service, because he's just good at what he does, and he's really passionate about solar panels, electricity, and renewable energy, but also the way everything was done via apps and emails and text or electronic communication, because it made it easy for me that I didn't have to worry about things, making calls and hassling him, that sort of stuff. Payments were done online, invoices were sent online. Really simple and easy to deal with. I just needed someone who knew what they were doing and were going to take me for a ride. And I already had existing panels that didn't work anymore, so I was looking for something that's going to be reliable and just not another person that would do the panels and disappear. So Rob's going to be in the game for a long time, so I knew if I had any other problems in the future, at least I could come back and he could take care of it. Rob did offer me payment plans and other alternatives to pay off the panels, but I did have the money set aside to just pay them off straight away. But that was a benefit for me in the sense that I knew exactly the final cost of it, he would get it done, and it was all taken care of, and now they're generating and paying themselves back from day one. I've already recommended Rob to all my friends, especially if they just need someone who's going to be there around for a long time, because the thing is, if he's around there for a long time, he can come back and fix any issues you may have. Not that there's going to be issues, but you still need a company that's going to be there for when you need it. I appreciate you guys coming out and checking on how things are going, because you don't hear that from a solar panel company. But it's good to know that Rob can offer other services such as batteries and things like that. So I'd highly recommend you use Super Quick Electric.